It's 34 and freezing rain out here, and wanted to come out and make sure these mushroom lights were still working okay. The solar panel is holding fine. I was going to go ahead and sweep through the 8 different lighting modes. These lights are rated for IP65 waterproof and seem to be holding just fine in the rain and the cold temperatures. They are wired together with this solar panel, but I'm not seeing any concerns there. 30-foot long string, super easy to put in the ground with all of the stakes. The solar charges all day, and then they do stay lit 12 to 20 hours at night, depending on the brightness of the day. They're a super playful mushroom design, and they have lasted through the rain, the snow for me. Coverage of the 9 lights goes all the way down our path. They're a whimsical design with the solar, multiple lighting effects, all weather durability. They transform to a really cute, fun garden pathway and patio, glowing outdoor retreat. If you're on the fence with these, I'm super happy with them. They add that little touch of magic to our yard and add such a neat way to get down to our playset. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.